It's Queen here and Mattaway. And we're going to be hunting some magnificent furtos. Okay, come on, let's go. I'm going to lure Furto in with some breadcrumbs. And what we're using is looks like a remake of the MP5. Let's go. Okay. Oh, stay right there. Hey, God, there it is! Wait. Okay. Okay. Come on. Shoot him! Oh, I missed! What? You stupid bugger! Okay, wait. Dad! No, dude. Calm in. Oh. I gotta steady my shot. Go. Come here. I got him! Let's go. High five, yeah, man. Wait. Okay, now let's go track him down. There's some blood. Oh, here you go. Okay, put your gun down on him. Is it alive? I don't think so. Okay, congratulations. Like his antlers broke off. Okay, congratulations, man.
Yeah, thank you.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
That was a magnificent hunt. Okay, we'll see you guys later next time on the Fast Show. Bye.